Welcome! In front of me I have Zepp Z watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it either by tapping on the screen or pressing the middle button. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have this moon icon. That's the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. And here we have different options. We have Enable DND, Timed DND, and Smart DND, and finally Disable DND. If the option Disable DND is selected, the Do Not Disturb mode will be turned off. If you want to turn it on and keep it on until you turn it off, simply select Enable DND, and now the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. You can tell by this icon changing the color. Next we have Timed DND. If you select this option, basically you can make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, when it turns on automatically and when it turns off automatically. To do it, simply tap on this arrow right here, and now you can set the start time by swiping up and down right here. So let's set it to something like maybe 10 p.m. And then minutes, so maybe let's set it to 10:30, for example. Like this. Then tap the arrow to continue, and here we have end time. Let's set it to 6:30. Like that. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will turn on at 10:30 p.m. and turn off at 6:30 a.m. Next we have Smart DND, and this option basically turns on Do Not Disturb mode automatically when you go to sleep, when it detects that you're sleeping, and will turn off when it detects that you woke up. Okay. And like I said, the last option is Disable DND, and you can turn off the DND by simply tapping on it and going back. Also, if you select different types of Do Not Disturb mode, like for example Timed mode, you will see that the icon looks different. So you can tell which type of the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled by the icon right here in the menu. Okay. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.